direct line starter. 3 dimensions. You go to this, you select the component. This is going to be the MCB. We need a control breaker. Put this one here. We need contactor. We need timer relay. This is a overload timer relay. You need the contactor. This is the contactor. Then you need push button switches. You put one here. There are two. We need the stop and the start push button. And shift this one to give it space. Then finally we need 3-phase electric motor. It's here. You double click on this one because you need 2-pole breakers. 2-pole breaker for the control breaker. You click here, you click the third one, then you label this one as CB control breaker. Then you click on this. Okay, you see the 2-pole here. You see that the 2 push buttons are green colored. Double click on this one. We need it as red. There are 4 contacts here. 1 and 2 is normally close contact, while 3 and 4 is normally open contact. We need the normally close contact, so you unmarked 3 and 4. You label this as stop, S-T-O-P. Press OK. That's it. Here you unmarked 1 and 2 because we need 3 and 4, which is normally open contact. You call this one S start. The arrow is not there because it will not accommodate. This is a start push button. Here you click on this F. You label it as overload O/L, overload relay. You press OK. Here you label it as MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Press OK. Let us connect. For the connection, we are going to connect the control line, the control diagram first before the power line. Click on this and this one. These are the sizes. So I decide to choose this as size. Now from terminal 95, which is this, it goes to, I'll connect this to the control breaker. Then terminal 96. Remember, terminal 95 and 96 is normally close contact of the overload relay. This take it to the stop button. You join this to this. Here you join the contactor coil as terminal A1 and A2. Join the A2 to the neutral. Then And the holding contact, terminal 13 and 14 is normally open contact. You join this, take this, other terminal of the start, then join A1 to this, then the terminal 14, the other side of the normally open contact, this to this, that is that. I think this, we are done with the control line diagram, but we need to put the live and neutral here. You click on this, you go with live and neutral, you bring it here, then for the three phase, you click here and bring this one here, then the connection again, here to this, here, no, this is neutral, join to this, then we'll go on to connect the power line diagram. I'll take this color as red face, then I'll connect this, then red face, then the yellow face, then the blue face, that's what I did. Then go with this, then the blue, this, this way. Then there's a blue face on this. And the yellow face. And the red face. This is the red face. Then the yellow face. With this, I think we are done with the combination of both the control and the power line diagram. You can label them, but before I do that, let me play. When you play, you will see you on this. As you can see, this one is missing already. So we have to amend that. Amend that. Here is a yellow. You click on this and click on this color. You join this. Then you on. You click on this. Yes. You on this one. You start. See the motor is working. Then this is stop. Start. Stop. Now, if you want to label, you click on this A. You write, but my own way of writing, I change font to bold and 14 times in Roman, which is T I. I click on the time New Roman. I'll press OK. And now write this is miniature circuit breaker. That's it. Miniature miniature circuit breaker. Press OK and bring it here as a miniature circuit breaker. Now I don't want this. You delete because of the color. You go back to black, you click on A, you write bold button times New Roman TIM. You click on this, you press OK. You write miniature circuit breaker. Press OK. You bring it here, put it there. Now, the next one is the contactor. You click on this again, you write contactor, CONTACTOR, contactor. You press OK, you put it here. Then the next thing is overload relay. Click on this, overload relay. You click on this, you put it here. Signify this is overload relay. Let me put it here. Then this is the stop push button. Click on this, right, stop push button. Put it here. Then the next one is the start push button. Start push button. Press OK. You bring it here. Then finally the control breaker. CONTROL breaker. And then I press OK. Bring it here. I'll put it here. That's it. So we are done with work. Thank you very much for watching, for your time. Always subscribe to my channel for you to watch my connections, innovations, and application of electrical equipment. Thank you very much.